So, sales is very important. It doesn't matter how sophisticated your products are or your services are if nobody is buying. Have you found out that some of the most successful companies and the products are not necessarily the best products? Why is it that with all the fact that we all know that Coke has a lot of sugar, we keep drinking? Why? They spend a whole lot on marketing. And while marketing is not sales, but it can lead to sales. So I don't know how to sell. Sincerely speaking, I don't know what you can do. If you're a pastor, you have to sell. You have to sell the vision of the church. That's why people join. If you are a father, you have to sell the vision of the family. That's why even when your children live they are no longer under your roof, they keep on saying, Daddy said. They keep on saying, our family name. I can't spoil our family name. What is it in the family name? Daddy has told them that the family name is important. 10 years after Daddy has died, he's still remembering his family. That's sales. So I can't sell. I'm not cut out for sales. So what are you cut out for? How many of you realize that evangelism is selling? Huh? You are not denying Jesus. You are not putting commercial value on Jesus, but you are selling the Jesus brand. This person, before you got there, didn't want Jesus. After you leave, or by the time you are done, he said, I'm for Jesus. That was how Jesus was sold to me.